My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Kia Sportage. This vehicle has done just under 62,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving onto our screen, using the buttons just below, we can access our radio, media, which includes Apple and Android CarPlay, Bluetooth, our map, navigation and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. If we press here, we can access our climate control. And we also have heated seats and a heated steering wheel. The Sportage also comes with sport mode. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.